So those are our steps, all veneered. Actual tread stock you buy, they do it by the exact footage, and like something like this, it's not exactly 6 feet, it's about 5 inches shorter than 6 feet. So that's why we had to trim all 3 pieces. And now that we cut off the rock face side, we have to recreate the rock face. What we're going to want to do here is give ourselves a good decent 1/4 of an inch back. We start with the sides first. This is a Trow and Holden chisel, just a little bit over an inch, 1 1/8 inches, 1 1/4 carbide tip. It's angled all the way to one side. Some of them chisels right in the middle, but I find that this is the best one for rock facing. All right. Steps, all set in mortar, Hardex. Good afternoon, everybody. We had a busy morning, moving machines around, moving material around. I'll show you where we're at. And we got some blue mist, granite, pattern stock for the landing. We're gonna make these side returns, the treads, So we're gonna make these 2 pieces to touch the house, and then that pattern stock is what we're gonna use to make the inner landing. So that's where we're at. That's where we're at. I already got 1 piece cut, measured to cut, and then we're gonna have to do a little bit of notching up on the edge of the molding. That is going to wrap up this video of rock facing and installing Blue Mist granite treads and Blue Mist granite pattern stock. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as you can imagine, the customer was extremely happy for going from a mildew covered precast concrete set of stairs to a beautiful New England blend stone veneer with Blue Mist granite cap set of stairs.